Hi, I'm Harvey from the NSBRC and we're here at the National Self-Build and Renovation Show. I'm going to explain to you some of the things that are going on today at the show and why, if you're doing a self-build, a custom build, home improvement or renovation project, you should take a visit. When you're here at the NSBRC, make sure you allow enough time to visit our trade village, which hosts over 240 permanent exhibitors. They showcase the latest building products and innovations, which will be really useful for your self-build project. We have the new build zone, which tells you the story of a new build project stage by stage, and the renovation house, which looks at a property built in the 1920s and how we improve it to become a modern family home. We'd love to see you soon at the National Self-Build and Renovation Centre. For more information, visit our website.